Hi, my name is Joseph Civitano. Everyone calls me CJ. I'm the owner of the Eastern School of Fretted Instrument Repair and a co-owner of Raritan Bay Guitar Repair, also known as RepairGuitar.com. Both the school and my shop are located here in Freehold, New Jersey, just 15 minutes from Asbury Park and the Jersey Shore. We have a wonderful school that encompasses all the skill sets necessary for you to earn a living as a guitar repair technician in a real-world setting. One of the things that sets our school apart from the other proprietary or for-profit schools across the nation is that we're not going to try to attempt to teach you how to both build and repair. Building is a skill set that literally can take years to master. And repair is a different skill set from building. While some of the skill sets may overlap, at the end of the day, what happens is when you go to some of these other programs, you'll build a couple of guitars, you'll build a couple of nuts and saddles, you'll wire one or two guitars, and then you get turned loose, but you don't really have the depth of knowledge or the mind-muscle memory necessary to actually build those quality nuts and saddles, do those fret dresses, rewire those guitars in a timely manner so that you can earn money on a day-to-day basis as a guitar repair technician. Because at the end of the day, while this is a wonderful way to make a living, it's still a business, and you have to be able to operate in a business setting and be profitable. And what we teach you here at the Eastern School of Fretted Instrument Repair is how to be profitable, how to do quality work, how to do it in a repeatable fashion, and how to do it and hopefully have some fun, and at the same time educate and take care of your client base on a long-term basis. So on a day-to-day basis, when we're working with you here at the Eastern School, what we're going to do is we're going to show you the skill sets, and we're also going to be talking throughout the course about, well, here's a business tip. Here's what's worked for us in our business over the last 20 years at RepairGuitar.com. Here's what doesn't work. Here's where we've spent money and it's been profitable for us. Here's where we've spent money and it hasn't. Here's the way for you to set up your shop in the most efficient manner possible so that you can go out there and when you open up your shop or you work within a shop-like setting in another company for a small guitar company or perhaps a mom and pop store, you'll be able to be the most efficient tech possible, and being efficient translates into quality, quality translates into earnings, earnings is profit. And at the end of the day, you have to be able to make a profit because you have to support yourself, and that's what we teach you to do here at the Eastern School of Fretted Instrument Repair.
My name is Caitlin Yanazelli, and I am the office manager at the Eastern School of Fretted Instrument Repair. In addition to being the office manager, the finance department and new students and housing and tuition assistance and every other hat. I do it all with a much help from a lot of other people. I am an expert in the application and the usage of VA benefits. We were recently approved by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs for various grants and bills, including the new post 9/11 GI Bill and the Montgomery Bill. And we have been going to several different conferences in the United States to stay on top of the changing protocols and the upcoming benefits that are coming out. If somebody were to apply to the Eastern School, I would suggest that they first go to our website and kind of just take a look. Look at the curriculum, look at all the past student comments, and just see if that's something that you're gonna like. You are more than welcome to come into our facility and take a first-hand look. We have an open door policy, and you can fill out an application directly here, or you can go to the bottom of our website under the new student, and you can download an application and you can mail it in to us, and you can put it attention office or Katie. And then once I get your application, we get you processed and we bring in, you take a look at the facility, and then from that point we get you set up with tuition, housing if needed, and give you the rundown of what you're going to need to start a new career in a new semester. Upon completion of our course, we will do everything possible to assist in your job placement search.
As you can see, we have a wonderful school. We have a great facility, well lit. It's cool in the summer, it's warm in the winter. We spent a lot of time and money setting it up so that you will have the best possible experience here at the Eastern School of Fretted Instrument Repair. We have a wonderful curriculum. The curriculum is broken down into blocks of instruction, and each block of instruction is a skill set. For example, when you build nuts and saddles, you're just not going to build 2 or 3. Right now, we just went through 1 week of saddles from raw blanks with my students, and they didn't build 2 or 3. They built about 15 to 20, depending on their speed. When we go the nuts, we're going to spend 2 full weeks doing nuts for both electrics, acoustics, bass guitars from raw blanks. And they'll build not 3 or 4, but again, 15, 20, 25 nuts over that 2-week block. So what's going to happen is they're going to learn the skill set in such a manner so that it becomes a repeatable exercise. And once they have the basics down, they can then refine their techniques so they put out quality product. They put out quality product in an efficient manner, in a timely manner, so they're making money. Same thing with wiring. We teach you how to wire so that it's clean, it's neat, you understand flow, you understand basic problem solving, you're going to know how to do a coil tap, a phase reverse, all the basic things. We're going to teach you again with wiring, for example, how to make money by doing efficient work and how to be a problem solver. One of the biggest things I emphasize to my students is you have to be able to think and you have to be a problem solver. You can't be a robot. You have to be able to think your way through some repairs. And that's one of the things we work at really, really hard here at the Eastern School. We want you to be a problem solver. I put my students under real world pressure toward the end of the course. I'll give them projects and I'll set a time frame and I'll say, you have to do it in this time frame. Because that's what's going to happen in a real world setting. You're going to have someone come in and they're going to need it that day. It's not enough to be able to build a nut, for example, but it takes you all day. So our philosophy here at the Eastern School is quality, repeatability, in-depth knowledge, notes, pictures. We encourage people to take notes, take pictures. We review your notes on a weekly basis. We have you type your notes up. We then review them. We cross out where you need to make corrections. You retype. It's a pretty thorough and expansive course. And the way we look at it is we want you to be as prepared as you can be when you enter the real world. Again, I'm CJ. The other instructor, my partner Kyle Rogendorf, is a wonderful, wonderful tech. He's been working with me now for over 12 years. Eric Collier from Professional Instrument Services, who's a wonderful pickup builder, puts out a line of pickups called Luther Lee. He's a part-time instructor who works with us on the electronic portion of our program. These instructors, along with myself, our only job is to get you prepared so that you can go out there and work for yourself as your own boss, work within a larger business, or work for a small mom-and-pop store, maybe even work for a manufacturer. But I guarantee you, when you leave my course, you're going to be prepared, you're going to be confident, and you're going to be ready to take on whatever challenges await you. So thank you so much for visiting the Eastern School of Fretted Instrument Repair. Please reach out, call or email, and talk to our wonderful office manager and administrator, Caitlin Yanazelli. She'd be happy to send you a packet or answer any questions you may have. We encourage you to come by, and we encourage you to visit our facility while class is in session and talk to our students. We want you to come. Now, we're approved for VA benefits, and we're approved by the state of New Jersey so that you can qualify for certain loans. So again, talk to our office manager and business administrator, and she'll be able to help you down that road so that you can come and you can expand your base of knowledge, and then you can really do the thing that you love, which is repair fretted instruments. You have a great day.